Alphablock Dawn Chorus, take it from the top.
Perfectly pitched. Please, play on.
Unpleasant! Too loud, too high.
I can go higher.
Top! Terrific view. Excellent echo.
I like singing high notes, but this isn't what I imagined.
At least we're as high up as we can possibly get.
Up!
I wanted to be highest.
One sky, one galaxy, 1,000,000 stars, and one me.
Calling Numberland! Come in, Numberland! This is One speaking. I've come so far and seen so many wonderful things. What I'd really like is someone to share them with. Hello? A new friend!
Shouldn't A have come down by now? Heads up, everyone! Here she... who are you?
Good question. I am one block.
I can see that. But who are you?
That's my name. I'm One. I was traveling through space for ever so long, and then I saw someone... Yes, that's her. So I came down to say hello.
Excellent! Let me welcome you to Alphaland. We're Alphablocks.
Alphablocks? How funny. I'm a Numberblock. Nice to meet you.
And is your letter all right?
Letter? What letter?
It's right there. I know an I when I see one.
Oh! No, this is my I. This is my numberling. It represents how many blocks I am. One block. I don't recognize those symbols, though. Are they your numbers?
These are letters. They tell you what our sounds are. I'm E. My sound is E. I'm T, and I like tea.
Well, I like things there are one of. One teacup.
Tell me, if you're one Numberblock, are there more Numberblocks?
You could say that. Would you like to meet some more?
Oh, are they up there?
Not up there. Over here. One moment.
I'm not sure I like her interrupting my singing like that.
Try to be inviting, I.
She came an amazingly long way, alone.
Hello, me. Hello, me. Hello, you. Oh, you can make copies too.
Yes, if we need to make our sounds longer. E. See?
Impressive. But can you do this? 1 plus 1 equals...
2. I am 2. How do you do?
Yes, I'd like to know too. How do you do that?
And where are those ones?
Did they pop off?
No. They're both still here. I'm 2. I'm 1, 2. 2 blocks. That's what my numberling stands for. 2 blocks are...
2 lots of 1. See?
Pot.
My, what happened?
Terribly sorry. T for 2.
I can explain. If we hold hands and sound our letters out, sometimes things happen. Pit. our letter sounds make a word, magic happens.
That's incredible.
It isn't as incredible as this mirror. It didn't work.
Magic mirrors only work on number blocks. Like this. And this.
Tremendous tripling. 1, 2, 3.
Did someone call? 1, 2, 3. Me. Amazing!
Is that intended to impress?
Well, yes, actually. Some blocks need to learn a few manners.
It's called adding. Numbers can add together to make bigger ones. Like this.
1 plus 3 equals...
4. Hello.
You're huge.
Is that any better? I think that's better. I like being square.
You can change shape.
Of course I can. Whatever order I put my blocks in, as long as there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, then it's me, 4.
And you're 1 plus 3.
I certainly can be.
See?
Or I'm 2 2s.
You choose.
Or even 4 1s.
It's the same amount.
I can't believe my eyes.
Why? What happens with alpha blocks? What would happen if you got on top of... you?
I imagine I'd fall off.
Oh, utterly undignified.
Perhaps I could perch upon you.
Aye.
That's no way to make a number. Be rational.
It was 3 that started it with her impertinent ideas.
Impertinent? As if. I'm not the one who's all I. 3, please. We've only just got here.
Did you intend to stay long?
I don't know. I've been travelling on my own for so long. I just wanted to make friends.
What do you say, Alphablocks and Numberblocks? Can we be friends?
I don't know. We're so very different.
You sure have a way with words, though.
You understood that? He just said, oh.
A lot.
You get used to it. He said, if we don't have a lot in common, that only means we should try harder.
Well, I suppose. But we really are quite different, you know.
We're Alphablocks.
We're Numberblocks. We both have blocks in our name.
We're Alphablocks.
We're Numberblocks. But we're not the same.
As different as you and I.
As different as 1, 2, 3.
We stand in line.
We stand up tall. We're not the same at all.
Alphablocks are all one size.
Numberblocks get bigger.
Each of us has just one shape.
We can all refigure.
We all have symbols on our heads.
But they mean different things.
Alphablocks have letters.
Numbers, numberlings.
Our letters represent our sound. You'll hear this sound when I'm around. Oh!
My numberling is my amount. That's how many blocks you'll count. 1, 2, 3, 3.
Could be that we are not the same at all. We're Alphablocks.
We're Numberblocks. We both have blocks in our name.
We're Alphablocks.
We're Numberblocks. We're really not the same. We say our names to count things till we complete the set. 1,
2.
3. 3 letters. We make our sounds to spell out words. Pet. Whichever way you add us up,
The total matches snap.
our order is important. Pat is not a tap. Add any number of blocks together. You make more numbers on forever. Alphablocks must watch their step. There's no such word as tep. So hey, I'd say we're not the same at all.
We're Alphablocks.
We're Numberblocks. We both have blocks in our name.
We're Alphablocks.
We're Numberblocks, but we're not the same.
I
same line. We stand up tall. We're not the same at all. We're not the same at all.
We both like singing.
Alphablocks, we're nearly there. They can't wait to meet you.
Everybody, keep up!
These blocks sound brilliant. But how many did you say there were? There were 6, sort of. But as soon as you look around, there's a whole load more.
Oh, hello. Be right back.
But I've only painted you 16 times. There, that's more my style.
It's getting increasingly out of hand. They've been looking in that mirror.
Question. Who wants a round-the-world race? Answer. Did you really need to ask the question? 6 rays and away!
These must be your friends. I'm 1. You must be...
B. And behind me is... Where's C?
Crumbs! Crikey!
Excuse me asking, but
How many of you are there?
It's kind of hard to say. Can I borrow that? Hello? Who's the biggest right now?
Why, that would be me!
Nice planet you've got here.
He's big, all right. But did you say biggest right now?
Yes. You see, the thing about numbers is there is no biggest number.
Because if you take the biggest number you can think of,
Hello.
and
Add
1.
More, you get an even bigger number every time. 21, Number Explorer. So pleased to be here. I have so many questions.
you're not the only one.
But how can there be no biggest number?
It's hard to get your head around. Put it this way. It's like space. I travelled ever so far, leaving my planet far, far behind. But for all the distance I've come, I'm no closer to the edge of space, because space doesn't have any edges. It keeps going on and on forever. You can't ever reach the end of it because it's infinite. It goes on forever. And so do we. You can keep adding all the blocks you like. You'll never reach infinity.
Infinity? You mean you might make an infinite number of number blocks with that magic mirror?
Well, it would take an infinitely long time, but...
Oh, enough about us. How many of you are there?
Actually, I can't say. We make up the alphabet, but we've never really counted it.
Well, let's change that. Number blocks are born to count. Line yourselves up and let's get exploring.
A, 1, B,
2. Counting things is what we do.
C, 3,
D, 4, and E.
5.
Everybody, time to jive.
F, 6,
G,
7, H,
8,
I,
9,
J, 10,
K, 11. Kick it.
L, 12,
And that's 8. 10 and 3 is what you mean.
N, 14.
O, 15, P,
16. The party queen.
Q,
17.
18, racing through, we're really keen!
S, 19,
And T makes 20. D for 2 times 10 is plenty. U,
21.
V, 22.
23.
It's W. X is 24. Hooray!
X is here to save the day.
25.
Z 26. 2 times 13.
To count this list.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. Halfway there, the same again. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. How many letters in the alphabet?
26.
2 13s.
Whoa! That was fun! Absolutely! I think all 26 of us enjoyed that.
I thought there might be more of us. 26 is much less than infinity.
No. That won't do. You should focus on what you can do, not what you can't.
What can we do?
You tell me.
Well, I can show you one trick. K!
Hello, C.
Can I be on your team?
OK.
That's clever. 2 letters together.
Making one sound. Let's see what you can make now.
Oh. Look.
Not quite what I had in mind.
Ooh, B, join the line.
Oh. Look.
Hey!
Cold.
Still not quite right, but we're getting close. That ice made my legs quite numb. Brr!
I see what you're trying to say. We need an N. And you.
Maybe another B.
We need an sound. Numberblocks!
Hello, world!
Incredible! We made Numberblocks.
And if you can make these 2, you can make more and more.
Which means you can make exactly as many number blocks as we can make.
And not just blocks.
You can make locks and clocks and socks and docks and frocks and anything you can name. You may be 26 little letters, but if you work together, you can make anything. Awesome!
You know, we may have our differences, but there's one thing we're both good at making.
I think I know where this is going.
So do I. We're both good at making friends.
We're Alphablocks, we're Numberblocks. We both have blocks in our name. We're Alphablocks, we're Numberblocks. We're so glad that you came. We're little blocks who love to learn. We love to make new friends. When it gets tough, we don't give up. We try hard to the end. So whether we are numbers or we sound out a letter, one thing we agree on is we're better off together. And if we keep an open mind, keep learning, then we're sure to find, no matter what our name, in the end, my friends, we're all the same.
Hi, Juan. I'd like to invite you all to stay, if you'd like.
Thank you. And I'm so glad we came. But seeing you all happy here, it makes me miss my home. It's so far away.
Easily fixed with the help of Magic E.
E?
Magic E. I can team up with other letters without even touching them. See? O. O. Home.
Is that a portal? Home. I'm home. I'd know Numberland anywhere.
One. It's one. Welcome home, one.
Ah, the party's on our planet.
We're Alphablocks. We're Numberblocks. That's how this story ends. We're Alphablocks. We're Numberblocks. And we're the best of friends.
Superhero team-up you've all been waiting for. The incredible Octo Block and the exciting X. Together at last in Crossover. In the Numberland Stadium, 11 prepares to take a penalty. But at that very moment, somewhere in Alphaland,
K kicks the ball. He shoots.
suddenly,
He scores.
Alphablocks and Numberblocks switching places? There's only one hero who can sort this out.
The exciting
Octoblock.
X.
All right then. There are only 2 heroes who can sort this out. An Alphablock here in Numberland. They must have used the magic home mirror to travel here. But where is it?
Magic home mirror not detected. But I am detecting more Alphablocks.
We 3 are the 3.
Sees? Cool! Confusing!
Someone is switching Numberblocks with Alphablocks. This feels like the work of Octo Naughty. But that naughty number is no longer in Numberland.
And now I've stolen the magic home mirror, I'm in charge of who can travel between Alphaland and Numberland.
Time for our
Trip!
typical.
Huh?
Rip! Whoa!
We need help extremely quickly.
Did somebody say X? Extraordinary! How did you get here?
I haven't a clue. I was racing 24 on the racetrack, and zap, here I am.
And I think I saw T disappear.
You've been exchanged. 20 and T. But why?
Because it's funny, of course. Ugh, why is X so serious?
Octo Naughty!
I'll take it from here.
You look a little cross. Maybe you should cross over.
Welcome to Numberland, friend.
Hello, chums. Lovely racing weather. I can keep this up all day and...
All right, Octo Naughty. The game is up.
I'm not Octo Naughty. Octoblock, draw! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, draw! Stop! This is Octo Naughty.
You're right. Extremely sorry. Octo Naughty tricked me. He's using the magic home mirror to switch Alphablocks with Numberblocks.
As I suspected, 3 and C, 11 and K, 20 and T, and now 24 and X. But why those numbers with those letters?
There must be an explanation. What say we...
Team up and save the day? I like your style. To the Octo Cave!
Let's see if we can spot a pattern in these crossovers.
11 and K both like football.
But what has T got in common with 20? We're missing something.
We're missing out lots of numbers for a start. Maybe it will help if we add them in. So many blank spaces. We'll never work it out.
Have patience, my excellent friend. I expect when we get the explanation, it will be as obvious as ABC.
A, B, C. C is the third letter of the alphabet. And C swapped with 3. What about K?
K swapped with 11. Is K the 11th letter? A.
1,
B.
2,
C.
3,
D.
4,
E.
5,
F.
6,
G.
7,
H.
8,
I.
9,
J.
10, K, 11.
T. 20. X. 24. They all match up. Octo Naughty is swapping Alphablocks with the Numberblock whose number is their position in the alphabet.
So you've cracked my little code. Boo! Boo-hoo! Well, I don't care. I'm safe here in Alphaland. And without the magical mirror, you two do-gooders are stuck in Numberland. No superheroes means nobody to stop me.
This looks extremely bad. He's right. Without me, there are no superheroes in Alphaland.
But there is another superhero in Numberland. 27. She's a super cube, like me. Octoblock Cube, 2 by 2 by 2. 27 is 3 by 3 by 3. Her cube powers are...
exceptional. So if we can trick Octo Naughty into taking 27 to Alphaland...
she will soon end his game. Octo Computer, what's the 27th letter of the alphabet?
Error. There are only 26 letters in the alphabet.
Exclamation mark! He's one step ahead of us again.
One step ahead of 26. There are 26 alphablocks, but 26 plus 1...
is 27. We need to get a message to A and Z. The
Octo signal! Wake up, my friends! There's a message for you.
A signal? What does that say?
Zoom in zebras.
Z plus A. It must be from Octoblock and X. They want the two of you to go after Octo Naughty.
We can't be their first choice.
So we must be their last chance.
I'm going to have so much fun with no superheroes to stop me.
Ahem. Allow us to introduce ourselves.
We're A to Z, and we're coming to get you. Z, z.
Is that the best you can do? Bye! No one in the world can stop me now!
No one?
We might have something to add to that. 26
Plus 1
equals...
No!
27! Give it up, Octo Naughty!
Never! If I can bring you here, I can send you back!
You're forgetting. There's no 27th letter for me to switch with.
Oh, time for a swift get a whirl! I don't like the look of that.
By the power of...
3 dimensions! We've got you surrounded!
Not quite. Anywhere's better than here.
Excellent work, Cube Crusader.
Oh.
And with the magic home mirror back to normal, Alphaland and Numberland were soon put back in order. As for Octo Naughty, nobody was sure where he ended up. Only that it was somewhere he
Couldn't get up to mischief again. Until the next time.
It's tough being a detective in the big city when nobody needs your help. With no big cases to crack, I've been feeling a little grey. Detective 1's office. A missing blocks case, you see. A big one. I'll be right there.
Detective 1! Thank goodness you came.
2,
4,
Yum.
8.
10!
I should have known. Big Tum, the friendly monster who loves popping blocks into his big snuggly tummy.
Yum, yum. Who's in my tum?
Let me see. This is an even tops expedition?
That's right. We're all even numbers.
Yum!
Standing in a line. 2 bigger every time.
So the missing number is 2 more than 4 and 2 less than 8. Whichever way you look at it. 6 is in your tum!
Yum, yum. Well done. Huh?
Well done, One. You cracked the case. I was in that cosy place.
You're welcome, 6.
Yum, yum. What's going on?
The magic home mirror. Big Tum is going to Alphaland. Quick, after him.
My mate has gone missing.
Detective 1 on the case. Tell me everything.
It was only moments ago. I declare my magnificent new munching room open! Welcome to the...
Big.
Yum! Big yum!
Terrific! This looks like a capital spot for a big cup of tea.
Big.
Tum!
Big Tum! Ooh, new blocks! Yum, yum!
Tut, tut.
Yum, yum. Who's in my tum?
I saw it all. It was tea. Tea is in your tum.
Yum, yum. Well done. Huh?
Tremendously toasty in there.
Come on, Big Tum. Let's get you back to... Oh,
Catch me if you can. Yum, yum.
he's got someone! Quick! What happened?
Both of us bolted down this back alley, and then someone ran into us, coming the other way.
Who ran into you? I don't know. I had my eyes closed. They grabbed my hand. I grabbed Bee. We all called out and...
Yum, yum. Who's in my tum?
We need to work out who's gone missing. Look for clues. Is there anything strange or unusual here?
I should think so. This stinky bin was not here an instant ago.
A bin appeared from nowhere
Alphablocks can make things appear when they hold hands.
and say their letter sounds. That's it! If we can work out which letter sounds make bin,
We can work out who's missing. Let's try it. Say the word. Bin.
say each sound.
Bin.
Bin starts with a B. That's my letter sound.
Then I, which is my sound. And the final sound is N. Bin. N is the missing letter sound.
N makes the sound N.
So N is in Big Tum's tum.
Yum, yum. Well done. Huh?
Nice!
Catch me if you can. Yum, yum.
Here we go again.
It looks to me as if another 3-letter word was made. B, G. What are your letter sounds? B, G, B, G. What sounds like B, G?
Oh, get away, you buzzing bug.
Bug. That's it. B, G. The missing sound is A.
That means you is in Big Tum's tum.
Yuck, yuck. You're stuck.
Unlucky. It must be a vowel, though. A, E, I, O, U.
A makes an A sound. That would be B, A, G.
My bag of apples. Annoying.
Not A. E makes an E sound. B, E, G.
beg your pardon. Very excited to be here at Capital Tower.
Not E.
In case you get any big ideas, I am not inside that hairy tum.
Not A, not E, not I.
Not you. So how about...
Oh, makes an O sound. B-O-G. Bog.
A bog is a sort of swampy marsh, like this one.
O is in Big Tum's tum.
Yum, yum. Well done.
We solved Big Tum's riddles and saved all the Alphablocks.
Brilliant!
Incredible!
Great!
Big.
Yum, yum, yum. Big, big tum.
This case keeps getting bigger.
Big Tum's tum is empty. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh no! Big Tum!
Yum, yum.
10. Stop. Woo! 10 is in your tum. Big Tum. 10 is in your tum.
Worth a try, but he's too high up to hear you.
Oh no.
Hello up there!
Great thinking, O. That's a whole new way to make 10.
Big 10. Big 10.
I'm still 10 blocks, but I'm 10 very big blocks.
I have an idea. T, N, can you swap places, please?
Big net. Big net.
Got him! But I can't take either of them home at this size.
Not. Big. Not big.
Yum, yum! Tiny tum! Case closed, thanks to your quick thinking, Detective O. And so, Capital City was saved. Tiny Tum grew back into Big Tum once we got to Numberland, and his new friends gave him a present to remember them by. Being a detective is such fun! And there are all sorts of puzzles waiting to be solved.
Woo plus who equals woohoo! Not a real sum, folks. The atmosphere here at Numberland Stadium is electric.
Get ready for a rollicking rumble! The first ever Blocks versus Blocks Obstacle Relay Race! I reckon it's time to reveal our runners!
Starting with a classic lineup for the home team,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Numberblocks!
Ready to meet their rivals? Give a rousing roar for the Alphablocks teammates!
Mat. Exercise.
They certainly have some unusual abilities. But will this team of friends, pals, chums, whatever you call them, be able to beat the odds? Or rather, the odd, even odds.
It's race time! Runners, ready?
A block in the starting blocks. Ready.
One block in the starting blocks. Ready.
Then what are we waiting for? Oh, yes! For me to say, start the countdown!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0!
Did we miss anything? No? Good! Let's race through the rules!
The obstacle relay race has 5 stages. Reach the next stage and a new runner joins your team.
1 runner in the first round, 2 runners in the second round, 3 runners in the... Oh, you get the idea.
1 reaches the relay point and is reunited with 2.
Let's hope they're not fazed by this crazy maze, he says.
Here.
Their rivals are rapidly catching up.
Tick-tock, time is ticking.
Agreed. Accelerate.
1, 2, 1, 2.
You know, I think these teams need to work at their teamwork.
Oh, if only I could see over.
Here, friend. Hop up.
No, you. For goodness sake. I'll do it. It's that way.
Annoying. Another dead end.
Let's try teamwork. Take my hand. At.
Aha! The arrow shows where we're at.
Terrific. Turn left. Then turn left. Tip-top.
The Alpha Blocks are on the right track, but the Number Blocks remain the front runners.
I did it! Me! Oh! Don't stop now!
Ooh, game on! Up the ladders, down the snakes. Let's hope I can avoid mistakes.
Rolling a 6 right off the bat. The rules require each team to reach the other side of the board.
Let's hope the Alpha Blocks land on some lucky ladders. Here they go.
Exit over here. Excellent. Eager to get on. Let's take a time out.
What are they doing?
E.T.
What are you doing?
Taking tea. There's always time for tea.
Refreshing.
Refreshing, but risky. Their rivals are racing ahead with a really long ladder in reach.
Roll a 2 and I'll climb to the top, but a 1 or a 3 and downwards I'll drop. I've teams of
1s
and 2s and
3s.
the 2s should find this roll a breeze.
Not that. No good. That's better. Third time lucky.
Well, that was lovely, but it looks to me like you're out of the race.
Tut, tut. Take another look. Eat.
Yeah. Well?
Told you there was time for tea.
The rules say reach the other side of the board. They don't say how.
Sneaky.
A bold move from the Alpha Blocks means
The teams are neck and neck going into stage 4.
Magnificent munching, teammates.
Army Hearties! Prepare to face that robotic rascal, Octopus!
Better watch out. She's a wild one.
Time for a hug.
4 plus 3
plus 2
plus 1
equals
10! A
and away with rocket power!
High five! Very high five!
Too tricky.
Maybe we can make something.
Ah! What can we do to calm down an angry octopus?
Excuse me.
The Numberblocks reach the final stretch. Surely they'll romp home now.
Poor Alphablocks. I almost wish we could lend them a hand.
Hush, hush.
Yes! We won! Oh, wait.
They ran in reverse, giving their rivals a chance to rally.
But Blocktopus is proving hard to control. Wait, who's this on the pitch?
I recognise him. It's Magic E. Get ready for a long vowel.
A. Tame. Oh. Tickle, tickle, tame Blocktopus.
Maybe you can help us make it.
Across the lake. Amazing!
It seems hopeless, but we can't just stop. We should seek a solution, team.
That's it. If they can travel by rocket power, we can try E. E. Steam. Steam power.
Both teams running for the finish line, but the Alphablocks are running on rails. So long. See you.
E. Teams.
Ooh, remarkable! Both teams are now riding the train.
It's a dead hit! Incredible! I don't think anyone could possibly have predicted that result.
Alphablocks and Numberblocks are remarkable when they work together as teams.
But it's loads more fun when they all come together